Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to put thumbnails in your video in YouTube. It's just very simple. Yep, and let's go. Go to YT Studio. So click this one. Okay, then press the videos. Then wait and select the video you want to put a thumbnail. Okay. I choose this one. Okay. Did you follow, guys? And then press the pencil sign. Pencil sign is the edit. This one. Then press edit thumbnail. Okay. Then click again the custom thumbnail, and this time you will choose or you will select your custom thumbnail in your gallery like that, and then in your files like that. Press it. Okay, this one. Select a custom thumbnail you want to put in that video. Okay. For me, I have no custom thumbnail yet. So that's why if you don't have a image or picture in your gallery, you can use your camera like that. Okay. Okay, that is the easy way in how to put thumbnail in your video in YouTube. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, repeat again. Let's exit. Okay, go to your YT YouTube apps, the YT apps, this one. Then click the three lines, the dashboard. Okay, then click the videos, guys. Okay, it's very simple. Click the videos, then wait, then select your videos that you want to put a thumbnail or an image. Press this one. Okay, then click the edit sign, the pencil sign, that one. Then wait, and then click the edit thumbnail again, that one. Okay, press the custom thumbnail. Okay, one. Okay, I try this one. Okay, then click the select, and after you can save it. Save. Okay, that's so easy. Discard changes if you want to discard. For me, I like this card, but that is not my thumbnail. Okay, it's very easy. You get that, guys? That is simple video or tutorial on how to put thumbnails in your video in YouTube. It's very simple. And before I end this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and hit the button bells. And thank you.